Hey everybody, so you guys liked the last time we did one of these vlogs, so we decided we'd do it again. This time we're up in Massachusetts. We're testing out this Model X, 2026 Model X with the latest version of FSD. She's our vlog editor over here, so I don't know where she's gonna clip it in, but me and her father, we went to pick up a couple Italian subs, literally from their driveway there and back. Just perfect parking, everything. Parking definitely seems a little different, but I don't know if I just want to think that, but it is something that I noticed.
We haven't had to intervene one time. Decent drive and very different roads than Florida. There's a lot that I love about this car, but as a mom, the doors opening up, putting in and out the car seat with the doors going up is just so much nicer. FSD is great, and I'm very disappointed that this vehicle is no longer being made because I've decided that I want one.
After the Miami video, I think we need a Cybertruck. Even in this right now, we kind of have it packed to the gills. So with the Cybertruck, everything would be in the bed. We'd have all the extra storage, and then we could just...
Comment down below. I think this is a better family car.
Let us know.
Let us know. Is it the Cybertruck? The X? Is that what we're in?
Yeah.
Or the YL? Which is the best family car?
So I think, personally, I think the Cybertruck makes way more sense. It's more practical. We have the bed storage. It's just as comfortable. Sits up higher. I think it's safer. But also, we're going to be building soon. So whenever we start building, we're going to want to have a truck.
Okay, that's actually a good point.
Got one, guys. Got one. All right, let us know below in the comment. Whose team are you on? Team Nick with the Cybertruck or Team Anna with the Model X? Let us know.
Yeah, let us know.
As you know, we're up here in Massachusetts right now. We're testing out the new version of FSD on the Model X. We have a little review to do with you. I'm here with my father-in-law, Fred, and these subs are from where?
Brando's.
Brando's. So these are Italian subs. This is the small, size of my freaking head. And we also got some chips. I went with the mesquite barbecue, and you got
The kettle cooked
Cape Cod. So we're on our way to Cape Cod here shortly. So we'll get some really good FSD testing Model X. But first, we got to do the Italian sub review. Oh, this looks amazing. Look at that. Look at that.
I'd say this is an 8 because it's missing balsamic.
It's very fresh. You can tell good ingredients in here. It's big, it's volume, good bang for your buck. Not the cheapest,
It's good bread.
but it's good bread. I'm gonna give this a 8.9.
I was 8.
Picky man, he knows his Italians. Alright, we made it to our first stop here, our only stop going down to Cape Cod. We're maybe like 20 minutes away from our destination in Cape Cod. We were able to go from where her family lives in just, I guess, north of Boston, through Boston, all the way down the supercharger, parking, traffic, city, all of that. No problem, perfect drive, easy. Yeah, what do you think so far? How's the drive going?
The drive has been great. We did just have a dirty diaper incident. I had to change a few dirty diapers on our drive to Miami in the Y. And Nick was like, you know, this wouldn't be a problem with the flatbed. Just change them in the back. It'd be so easy. And I was like, no, I think you can do that in the X too. Kind of saying like, that's stupid. Well, I just changed my first diaper in the X and it was a challenge. So I don't know, maybe a flatbed would be nice.
If you insist, dear.
I'm not saying I want a Cybertruck because I really don't think that I do, but I'm just saying like I can see the appeal functionally for changing a diaper in the flatbed. Ergonomically, it seems to make sense.
All right. Well, and have you noticed any difference between this version of FSD and what we have? Can you tell?
No.
Okay. Well, you know, I talk about this on YouTube and with other people, but how much do you use FSD? Like, what's your thoughts on it?
So I only use FSD. If I'm in a situation where I take over, which is very rare, I immediately feel significantly less safe. If we're on our way home from like the gym or something and Nick wants to take a specific route, he'll turn off FSD sometimes and drive, and I immediately notice, and I get kind of like, what are you doing? Like, turn that on. I can feel like a bumpiness. So yeah, no, FSD is awesome. I hate being driven by humans.
I guess that includes me.
Yeah, it does.
All right, you can see we're kind of packed, filled back there. You know, we got everything. Got Sun hanging out there. You can see his little foot. Oh, we got a lot of me there.
Yeti cooler with all of our goodies, steaks. It's not even filled with beer like probably normal people. Ours is filled with steak.
We like the steaks.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we should be getting in, I guess, another 20 minutes. We got about 2 minutes left charge here. But yeah, you know, I think one of the nice new improvements with FSD lately is how it backs into every supercharger. It has awareness of all the superchargers. So that's nice. Good ride so far. We'll keep you guys updated, show you a little bit of Cape Cod. Hey everybody, it's about 2-3 a.m. right now. We're headed to Boston Airport. We gotta stop at a supercharging station here first, just to do a little fill up before we get there, drop it off, 75% battery. We're rushing on our way back home, back to Florida. We got earnings tonight. You'll probably watch this afterwards. We got earnings tonight with the regular crew, Herbert, Alexandra, Jeff, CERN, everybody. It's gonna be great to be on there. Last night, Robotaxi got launched in Tampa and Orlando, so it's pretty exciting time to be a Tesla investor. On our way now. It's dark. Luckily we got FSD. We got the new update last night, but I wasn't able to download it. So at the start of this trip, we were able to test for everyone the new update. But now, just like that, we're behind. So the clip at which Tesla's putting this out is pretty impressive. So if you just recap kind of like the last week, we got Model YL launch. We got Cybercab being tested by employees. We got Robotaxi Miami. We got Robotaxi in Tampa. Robotaxi in Orlando. Obviously, we got a good earnings call coming up. I think there's a couple other things that dropped. Oh, all these updates with FSD 14.3 Lite going out. So it seems like either Tesla's doing all this to go into earnings, or hey, things are starting to happen. So anyways, we'll see you guys back later tonight during the earnings call.